blazing magnets.
So we're going magnet fishing. It's Saturday and we're on our way. The bridge, the actual canal runs across the top of the bridge, so we've got to somehow walk up, get to it. I have no idea how. We're going on an adventure to find out. Oh, there's a little path.
Are you going to that bridge?
Yeah. No, not that first one, the second one.
Okay. No, I didn't mean this bridge, I meant that one down there.
Yeah, the second one down.
Good. See what we can see from up here. Look at the view. Beautiful view. Something big. What is it? Oh, what is it? What is that? It's a big piece of metal.
It's a big bit of metal, man.
Interesting, I guess. No.
That's closed.
This footpath might have been closed and they might have thrown it in.
I think Mummy's got the bit that goes with it.
Oh, we've got the bit now. We've got the whole bit.
Mummy's got the rest of it.
Or is it? Stuck. Stuck. It's stuck, oh my god. What is that? Circle thingy that my mum found. AKA my. Oh, we got something big. It's not moving.
Moving?
No.
Is this gonna be our fourth gun or fifth? I can't count. This might be our fifth gun, we don't know. Dad has
I don't know what that's from, but look.
probably stuck in the mud, I think.
Look at the bubbles.
Look at them bubbles.
Alright, hang on a
Oh,
minute.
is not now.
Alright, one.
Oh, it's
Two,
there.
three.
You see them bubbles? It's bubbling. Nearly fell over.
That's big.
It's
Whatever
big,
that is,
whatever it
big.
is.
What's Ali got? What has Ali got?
What?
He got a trolley.
We got a trolley, I think a trolley. When I say that, it sounds weird. It looks like a TK Maxx trolley.
That is a TK Maxx trolley.
Come on, we need to get that out. That's the first time a TK Maxx trolley. Yeah. Come on, get it out. Look at that. That's a TK Maxx trolley. Someone's thrown in.
Oh, jeez.
TK Maxx, if you want your trolley back, you know where it is. I'll just show you the bridge. It's this bridge. It's gonna be here.
Hey, it was shot for bargain.
Wonder if they give me a discount.
Bringing their trolley back.
Good point. They might give us a discount for bringing it back.
I can feel it moving across the bottom. It must have been on the wheels. Let's leave it there for now.
My mum is still pulling. What has my dad got? We're getting them. Right now, I would turn off the
A lot
camera
of old metal here.
and wait until we get something. Well, that's that many stuff that I can't stop videoing.
I can't move that.
Let me get some more magnets on it. Guys, I keep you updated in the situation when we maybe get this out or close to it now. Got something. It's a bicycle. Oh, come on, get it. And on the big big metal bit situation. We're moving at slow progress, and we've got a bike frame. We got a TK Maxx trolley.
Oh my god, what is it?
It's a we think it's a bicycle frame. What is that? What is that? What? I'm actually asking what that is. What is that? That's a bicycle frame with what?
What is that?
Has rope on it and stuff.
Fishing rod. It's got a fishing rod in it.
It's got a fishing rod in it. Oh my gosh.
Hey,
A fishing rod?
stay. Yeah. Fishing stay, look.
Where are you?
I'm right here.
I think Annie's the master of finding stuff with wheels. With stuff that had wheels.
That's like
Used to have wheels. What's that? The one, like, the green thingy.
a fishing rod.
A fishing rod. Oh, whoa. We might be pulling it out.
That's me and Mummy have got it.
They're gonna pull it. Come on. Get out, Paul and Mary.
No, I think we've got one another here.
Oh, we have one.
Oh, they got it. They got it. What is it?
Another trolley.
It's another trolley. What trolley is it this time? Looks like. Wait, no, it has a logo there. If you know what this logo is, please put it in the comment section below.
That's Marks and Spencer's. isn't
Oh, I was looking
Oh,
at
it's
the
a posh
orange
one.
one.
It's a posh one. It's Marks and Spencer's.
it? I'd say.
Oh,
You got any goodies inside it?
No, it's TK Maxx's.
Oh.
Another TK Maxx. No, it's all rubbish. All rubbish.
Oh, what a shame.
Right, give me a hand.
well, at least it's something.
Oh, it's not in the canal anymore. Put it that way.
What's the rope business?
I'm gonna see what mine. Oh, Carol's down. What have you found so far? Not much. Looks like a few like tin lids. I don't know what some of this is. It's a piece of metal, that is. What is that? That's interesting. Some more people coming up. Okay, if we find anything else, I'm going to update you on it. I'm going to be dabbing out for now. Dab you later. Guys, look what we found. On a shotgun cartridge. Oh, not a cartridge, but a bullet. It's a shotgun bullet. We found it in the water. It's not fired. So we're leaving it there. We might have to give it into. We're gonna give it into the police probably. I hope so. And hopefully. Wait. It says no fishing here. It says no fishing. But it doesn't say magnet fishing, so I think we're fine. Look at that fish. We're not magnet fishing, where? Oh, I mean, we are magnet fishing, we're not fishing, I mean. Okay, guys, we have fished out a big bit of this. There's a bullet, but we found a lever as well. Look what Ali has done. We found...
Whoa!
That's a scooter. A piece of a trolley. A tuba. This is what my... This other stuff that we have. It has been a good day.
I've only done one bridge.
And
what we got? Another bolt. Another bolt. Looks like a magnet. That's a magnet. A bit of a broken magnet. I think so. Right, come on then. Little boat coming down the river. Or canal. Three magnets in. Who's got a bolt? Ali's got something. Probably a railway sleep. Probably a railway line. Have you got it? Yeah, here we go. What have we got? We've managed to fish out a tree with a magnet. Metal cable. One thing I will say is this is one of the most ornate bridges I've seen. The brickwork's amazing. You got something, B? What we got? What is that? That looks like the hook.
Yeah, it's broken.
What would have been a hook that would have hooked a trailer together? It looks like it's the end of the hook. Yeah, it is, look. It is, it's the end of the hook. Jesus Christ. It's just recording. You've just soaked us. That is that to me, that's the hook off the end of where they used to, the carriages would hook together. The pile of bolts is getting bigger. That's some fantastic brickwork. This is an old bridge. So we've come out in Storm Brian to a place not far from us, and we've come up to an old bridge, and we've been here about 3/4 of an hour, and it's got railway stuff everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 bolts in this pile. There's links that used to link the carriages together. We've got bits that used to hold the power lines up to the next pile, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts, bits that hold the rails to the sleepers, other clips there. Then we've got more bolts. And we must have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Another 13 of them here. A purse. It's just like a railway gold mine.
And if you like this video, like and subscribe. And I'm down out of here, boys.